If we can do it drunk, you can do it sober. All right, here we go. Sideways. Oh, wow, look at this.
I can't help you guys.
I'm
not tearing it up.
Putting a Jeep where it's really not supposed to go. Oh man, black mud. You can see there's a swamp right there. You're gonna come out to some kind of water feature. Oh, look at this.
Hang on,
yeah. Oh, wow. Oh man, I don't know about this. Oh, we might be wenching our way through this. Oh, silt pond. Oh shit. Oh shit. Whoa. Yes, sir. Whoa, that was shit. That was deep. That was, yeah.
It's this one.
Oh.
This is a short one.
Yeah. Oh, watch out for that. Now, this is exploratory
Surgery.
Yeah. Yeah. I thought for sure we were going to get
4,500.
at the wench out on that one.
4,500.
Those silt ponds, man, because of all the rain.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Look, big rock. No, that's
Big
a
rock.
That's a rock. Just
Oh man, this thing's so
just a
fucking
gigantic rock.
Where
in
do
the-
we go from
in the-
here, my love?
Uh-oh.
Holy shit.
Uh-oh. Can you
Oh,
get
yeah,
can you
yeah.
get through there? No. I don't know. I don't think you can.
I don't know.
What the hell?
Fold that mirror in, maybe.
Birches,
It's gonna
man.
fold it in anyway.
Birches grew right in the trail.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, shit.
How far do we go?
We made it to the big rock.
Yeah, no, I can turn around.
There's the big friggin' rock too.
I
That's
can
a
turn
big rock.
That's a big fucking
That's
rock.
it is. Ooh, I don't know.
I say we get out.
I don't know who put that there. It is a big rock though.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, but look at that. The birches grew right in.
Right in.
All right. Oh, oh, the mud smells funny. I said the mud smells.
Does it?
Yeah.
No doubt.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, that was a good silt pond.
Yeah. No.
All right. Wait, I got to put the window up. I already know what's coming.
Yeah.
This is not the mud hole. The next
No, it
one
ain't. Yeah.
is Silt City. And this is a narrow. Yeah. Here we go. Oh boy, I tell you right now. Oh. I used to see this on a wheeler and I'd be like, holy shit, I'm so screwed. Yeah. Oh, hang on. Oh, wow. What was that?
Big rock.
I thought one of the tires fell off. Oh, silt pond among us. Oh, yeah. Oh, easy now. Easy. Oh, I can tell you right now. Uh-oh, we lost momentum. Tires, we're still inching. Actually, we are still moving. Wow. Hey, that's pretty cool.
All I had to do was cut the wheel.
Yeah.
That's all I had to do.
Oh boy.
Want to.
Yeah. All right, that's pretty cool. Oh. Oh. This is not bad.
Look at my fucking mirror.
Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I bet the whole side of the Jeep's messed up.
I bet it is.
Yeah, squeegee it off. That's good. Zing. Oh. It's just like the touch and go car wash. Squeegee is not a scrubber. What do you?
Hey, look.
Hey.
I can see.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
I can see.
This one's not really that bad.
Well,
This one.
I was working with you.
No, this. We'll go through this like nothing. This is nothing like that other.
Big old silt pond.
Oh,
It was.
Yeah, that's a good one. doesn't look that treacherous. But at this kind of breakneck speed, it could be crazy. Oh, what the hell was that? Stump.
We are a little wide.
A little wide.
It's full
Wait a minute now.
compared to most things that come through here.
Whew.
Think we ought to put up the windows?
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. Just I'll tell you right now. This is a silt pond.
I ain't touching throttle.
Look,
I'm not touching
you're
throttle.
gonna creep through it?
Yeah.
It ain't gonna creep through it. What's it gonna do? See what it does.
Let's see what it does.
Computer controlled, 4-wheel drive. Through the mud hole. Oh, leave it on creep. Look at it. Look at it. It
Walking
crawls.
right through it.
It crawls right through.
Oh, that's awesome.
Wow, that is actually. I mean, there's no denying it's wet. I mean, look. There's fucking water everywhere.
Yeah.
That's the norm this year, though. I mean, this is absolute rainforest. Absolute rainforest.
You've had it shooting out the hood.
There has been no fire danger.
None whatsoever.
Which is, yeah, roll it down. Look at that.
Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Okay, that was fun. If we can
Like
do
it
it drunk, you can do it sober.